Hey, it's Dwight Jr. here with Cliff's Construction, and one of the number one questions that I always get about garages is this. What's the difference between a garage kit from like a big box store like a Menards or something like that, and then a custom garage? And I'm going to show you the biggest difference right now. A lot of the garage kits are actually built for a monolithic slab, meaning no foundation necessarily like a foundation wall. The foundation is kind of built into the concrete slab, but what we got here is a foundation wall, which means that I can step it down a little bit according to our grade on the outside. What I mean by grade is the dirt. And so if you come out here, you will see that we're going to backfill against the garage here, and we're going to be able to bring that dirt up a little bit higher here in the back and drop the dirt down a little bit more to adjust to the grade of the site here that we're dealing with. With the monolithic slab, you're not able to do that. And with the garage kit, you wouldn't be able to do that as well. So that's just one of those things. And then also, it's hard to adjust on the fly with the garage kit. In the middle of the job, or I would say a couple weeks into the job, before we started, the client wanted this 4-foot door in the back. With the garage kit, you cannot do that because all the material would have already came. You know, you would have had the budget and you would have had your mindset on that budget. But it doesn't allow you the flexibility to make changes throughout the job like this here. So that's one of those things that I always kind of stress the clients about the garage kit builds, that they might look nice from, you know, the pictures and everything, but you definitely want to go with custom, because at the end, you're going to get a better product and you're going to have better flexibility. So that's what you got. The biggest difference between a custom garage build and a garage kit.